Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. By default, you can install Octave from Ubuntu repositories, as shown. You need to use the following command. When the installation is finished, you can access terminal of ATTENTIVE by running the next command. Or you can search on the ATTENTIVE icon in your system. When you started, click on next button. You need to check the box as follows and click on finish. After some minutes, your ATTENTIVE will be launched. If you have any question, leave them in comments.